Here we are in the beaches of Maui, watching our friends Reef, Flip, and Ahab. That's one jump for Reef the shark. That is also one for Ahab the whale. 1 and 2. 2 more leaps for the great white shark. And there's 1 and 2 for big Ahab. Amazing. 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3 stomps from Ahab whale. This is a proper splash off. 1, 2, 3, 4 magnificent shark bounces. And 1, 2, 3, 4 butt splashes by Ahab. Monster splash off, dudes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a flourish. Amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What a nice whale dance by Ahab. Oh, look, Flip the turtle is up. Our turtle friend might join in. Wow, that's a strong turtle splash, dude. Ready for a beach dance with Flip? Wow, nice splash. Cowabunga, dudes! You okay, Flip? That was a radical splash off from Reef, Ahab, and Flip. See you again next time, my Animasks friends.
Splash, let me cheer. Perfect splash, loud and clear. Yeah, 5 real deep, still going strong. Beach party all night long.